In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert date field in Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional date field that forces consistent formatting whenever someone fills out your PDF. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll be working inside the form editing tools, which are designed for adding interactive fields to your document. Once your file is open, go to the top menu and click Tools. From the Tools Center, choose Prepare Form. If Acrobat prompts you to pick a file or a scanner, select your PDF and click Start to enter the form editor. You'll see a specialized toolbar appear across the top, and the page view will highlight areas where Acrobat thinks there might be fields. That's normal. From the top toolbar, click Add a Field. When the list appears, choose Text Field. Acrobat uses a text field for dates because we'll apply a date format to it in a moment. Now click directly on the spot in your document where you want people to enter the date. Acrobat will drop a text box right where you clicked. To set this up as a proper date field, double-click the text field you just placed to open the Properties window. This is where you control how the field behaves. In the Properties window, switch to the Format tab. You'll see a setting labeled Select Format Category. Open that menu and choose Date. As soon as you do, Acrobat enables a list of date formats, so you can pick the one that matches your needs or your audience's expectations. Choose the format you prefer. For example, you might pick MMDY for month first formatting, or DDMM if day first is standard where your form will be used. The format you select ensures that any date typed into this field follows that exact structure, helping you avoid inconsistent entries and preventing confusion when forms are processed. When you're satisfied with the format, click Close to exit the Properties window and return to the form editor. Your field is now configured as a date field, and Acrobat will apply the formatting rules automatically when someone types into it. Finally, save the PDF to make your changes permanent. From this point on, anyone filling out your document will see a regular text box. But behind the scenes, it enforces a date pattern so entries are clean, consistent, and easy to sort or validate later. That's all there is to it. Open the form tools, place a text field, set its format to date, choose your preferred layout, close, and save.